Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. So you find me in the tea room, the kitchen upstairs, where I work, in the boardroom. This is the tea room this is the kitchen for the boardroom and where I work. So anyway, I've hidden my logos and there's nothing in here which is logo related, so ha ha ha. So anyway, I am here and I had to buy a new vacuum for work, for one of the other offices. So I thought I would do a bit of an unboxing video, a bit of an impromptu unboxing video during my lunch break of what I got for the office. I had a really good deal on it. I had it for just under 100 quid from Amazon. So this is what it is. This is the Numatic. So it's a big sort of like must for offices and stuff because it's, you know, it has to be something that's going to be robust and easy to use. So what we're going to do is a quick unboxing video of this. So you'll have to excuse me because I don't have my tripod. I've got you balancing on top of the tea kettle. So, very excitingly, I know the guys from possibly Henry Hoover TV will enjoy this one, so enjoy it. Okay. Now I know there are hundreds and hundreds, and I've done pneumatic unboxings, but I don't care. I enjoy it. It's like Christmas when you open something new. So at the top, he's got a little hat to protect his head. We've got two tools in this bag, which is the dusting brush. Nice long brush, bristles on it, natural bristles, and a crevice tool. We've got the floor head. Now I'm unwrapping this because I asked Emily if I could and she said yes, that would be brilliant because she doesn't know how to do it. So I'm doing it for her. Ooh, a grey pole. So you've got grey poles for this one. And the hose. It's not a tapered hose. And he has a big hat. And the resistance. There he is. I just dropped the hose. So, let's hope that there's a bag inside. Yes, just the one. Doesn't come with any other spare bags. That's a bit mean. Anyway, so this is the one that the same as I have in the workshop. This is the NRV version. So it's not really a Henry, as you would call him a Henry, but this is the same one that I have at home. His face is on, so we're going to leave his face on, and he's got a parking bracket there at the back. It's a shame it doesn't have the things for the tools. Now, where is the little thing for I know why it doesn't come with that. You have to put the tools on this. It doesn't come with that little. Doesn't come with the little adapter thing. It only goes on the tools like this, and there's only two. Doesn't come with an upholstery tool, which I guess you don't really need. But it's a shame though. Nice metal handle. It's grey metallic spray painted. I'll put the floor head. on him. Brushes down for hard floors. So there we go, that's the hose put together. Let's have a look at the booklet. So we got a sticker here, so he is A rated and he gets a C rating for emissions, an E rating for carpets, and an E rating for hard floors. Why does he get such a low rating? That's terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Right, okay. So this only comes with one speed on or off. There we go. Let's take off the little thing. Let's plug him in. There we go. See if I can get you down a bit lower. There we go. Let me turn you around actually. Okay, that's better. You're gonna have to put up with the bad camera work. So there we go. This is NRV, but I'm still gonna call him Henry because he's red and he's got a face and he's got his pneumatic hat on. There's the sticker there. So we've got the NRV 200-11, 620 watts, charged in England. That must be, would help if I switch the power on. So that's a power indicator light. Very quiet, I have to say. I guess that's only 620 watts, but it's very powerful. Okay, let's pop on and let's pop his nose on. Okay. Hang on a second. I just have to twist the handle around. So let's switch him on. It's quite quiet. Let's unplug him. Put his cable in. And park the bracket. And there we go. Henry NRV. It's very tall with that one. So there we go, that was literally just a very quick unboxing for the Henry NRV, Numatic NRV, that is going to be used in the office in another site. So they came to me and asked which one would be suitable, and I recommended this one, and then I found it then on Amazon and got it for them. So just a very quick video. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.